Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks DIY Garage. Well, we're going to do the pulleys on this. This is for the short video, so if you have any questions, comments, or anything else about this, please go watch my long video before you do so. Alright, let's get to it. First thing we're going to do with this rig is I unhook the negative battery cable, just because that's a good habit to get into when you're working on your cars. Next, this cover is going to come off. Mine already was off from previously doing things. There's 4 screws, 2 in the back, 2 right here. Those are going to pull off. You're going to take those, put them in a bag, and make sure you get them back in when you're done. Then next we got the air box and the whole tube here that goes into the throttle body. We're going to go ahead and remove the tube here. And for me, it's pretty much easier just to remove by taking, there's just the 2 clips here and here. There's 2 clips you pop up off on. We get this removed here. Loosened it enough, hopefully. Oh, don't forget to pull these. There's some things here too that you got to pull out of it. Be careful with this one, because I have broke these in the past. They get brittle after a while, and they're just a real cheap plastic. Also, there is this here, which you gotta unhook it from back here. There's a little clip there that holds it to it, and then this, push down with your thumb, push out on it, that unhooks that, and we're hopefully going to get this off of here. There we go. And this whole thing can kind of just come off of here. I've in the past undone it from here as well, but 6 1/2 a dozen. So now keep in mind, this is the alternator right here. So I got the camera kind of jacked up inside the engine compartment here, so hopefully you can see what I'm doing. I have my Harbor Freight modified belt tool here, so that'll work on my rig. I will have a video either out or coming out about this. Regardless, you got to get something down in there to let loose on your tensioner pulley or tensioner piece here, and then pull your belts off. I just pull it off the alternator. Then you can let down on your tool or your wrench or whatever it is you have. So I do have it actually on the alternator. When I replaced the alternator, I pulled the belt off then. So if you want to look and see what tools I used before, go check out that video. But I am going to go ahead and not pull the belt off all the way, because this is a new belt, so I don't need to change it. And right here is what we're trying to take off. Right down in here between the fan and the motor is a 13, I believe. Yeah, 13 millimeter bolt that comes out. Now it appears that the parts do not come with hardware, so you will be reusing your hardware. And like I said, you'll have to mess with the fan. Now, I will say yet again, I don't know what it is about this ratchet, but it is awesome. It just makes difficult jobs easier, and it's totally with this bend right here. Okay, that was pretty tight. Now I will also say that you are responsible for all your torque specs and things like that. So now I'm going to replace this one here, which is just an idler pulley. It sits in one spot and keeps the belt where it needs to be, basically, is about all that's for. Now that one is a 13 millimeter. Yet again, using the same wrench here. Watch you don't crack your hands on anything here. Alright. And hopefully this one will be a lot easier than the last one as far as getting the bolt out of here, because it won't be as hard to reach. Now that one has a keeper on the back, so make sure if that doesn't come off with yours, it might be stuck to the down in here. Now as well, unless something comes up that these don't work for some reason, or there's some special thing I need to do to get them back in, everything is just reverse. You just got to put these in and tighten them down. Whoa. This does have a nipple here, which I'm hoping lines up with something, which I'm assuming it will. So just make sure this is in the right area. That's about all there is to it. So I'm not going to put these in. If for some reason I have a problem putting them in, or something happens down the road, I'll come back and talk to you about that. Just double check everything. Looks like it's going on there nice and straight. Battery's tight and right. No tools, and everything is put back where it needs to be. So I think I'm pretty good. Keep an eye out for several more videos coming up, as well as on my channel. If you go check out the playlist 01 Ford Explorer, there's several other videos on this as well. Alright, thanks for watching Junkworks DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.